back up in Edinburgh again. Here's the castle right here. I'm going to show you another spot. See if you come down the stairs for Royal Mile. Head across the road and keep coming down these ones. Look for this gate and that's the spot. This is a nature reserve run by Earthing Productions. It's not always open. Got some nice wee bits of art in here. Greenhouse with some arts and crafts going on inside it as well. Even got a dude playing a guitar down here. Definitely a chill spot to stop, people. Check it out.